There are 156 laptops and desktop computers in a lab. There are 8 more laptops than desktop computers. What is the total number of laptops in the lab? Alright, this is one with no multiple choice answers. We have 156 laptops. Okay, this is a situation where they give you some information for like 2 equations. So this is a system of equations. Alright, and we need to solve for the laptops. Now we don't have any variables, we don't have anything. We can come up with our own variables. We have laptops, that can be L. We have desktops, that can be D. Alright, and we have a total of 156 that includes both of them. So the first equation is pretty straightforward. And because one, we always want to look for totals of something. Usually for these systems of equation problems, here's a total of laptops. The laptops plus the desktops give us a total of 156 computers. Alright? So I got all that just from this first easy sentence. Now the next sentence, there are 8 more laptops than desktops. Now this one we have to look at a little more carefully. We could say the total number of laptops equals the total number of desktops plus 8, because there's 8 more laptops than desktops. So whatever desktops I have, if I add 8 to that, that gives me the number of laptops. Okay, so we have L plus D is 156. We also have L equals D plus 8. Alright, now we need to solve and figure out how many laptops we have. Okay, the easiest way to do this would be in a calculator. If I can basically say the L is like my Y value and the D is like my X value, all I have to do is change this equation to get the L by itself. Okay, so I could just move this D across the equal sign and say L equals I could say 156 minus D, or I could say negative D plus 156. Okay, L, I just moved this across the wall, and now it's a minus D, and that's still positive. So now I have this equation and this equation. I can put them in the Y equals screen, and remember, I'm saying the L is like my Y, and the D is like my X. Alright, so I go to my calculator. I'm using a TI-83. I go to Y equals, and I put in Y equals D plus 8. I'm going to put X plus 8. And then on the other one, this L equals is Y equals, I'm going to put negative X plus 156. Negative X plus 156. Alright? I can graph them, and I want to see if the intersection is on the screen. Now notice only one line graphed. I may need to use the zoom button and zoom out some. So zoom 3, enter. Still only one. I'm going to do it again. Zoom 3, enter. And if you're familiar with the Windows screen, that might be a faster way to do this, but there we go. There's our intersection. Now we can use second trace 5 to find the intersection. Enter 3 times. We get 74,82. But we have to pick which one of those is the right answer. We said that L is Y. This is my L. And D is X. So this is my D. And we want laptops. So 82 is the answer for the number of laptops.